Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this particular program right here called Flexoffers, and you're wondering, maybe, is this a good affiliate network? Can you make money from it? How does this work? How do you sell? How do you make commissions, right? Is this a good way to generate a lot of income online, or is it a waste of time, all right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below, and I'll send you my favorite strategy. You can check it out if you would like. Now, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money on this channel, all sorts of different business models, courses, free and paid websites, different strategies, and some of them are great. You can potentially make a lot of money. Some are so-so, and some of them are just straight up fake, okay? So let's check out Flexoffers to find out if this is a good way for you to make full-time income. Maybe you can quit your job. Let's check it out, all right? Now, Flexoffers is a very, very big affiliate marketing network, all right? So all it is they partner up with a lot of very, very big brand companies. These guys focus very much on big brands, all right? And I'll just show you some of the brands so that you can get an idea. But they work with people like Macy's, like Sephora, like Hulu, like Dell, like Microsoft, like Kohl, like Wayfair, like Samsung. I mean, we're talking about household names right here, all right? Nordstrom, I mean, huge, Nike, right? So imagine if you could get access to the Nike affiliate program. So that means you grab a link from Flexoffers, and whenever someone clicks on your link and they buy anything from the Nike store or the Lowe's store or the Kohl store or the Dell store, Sephora store, you generate a commission, and Flexoffers will pay you directly after a certain amount of time, and we'll talk about all these details in a minute, okay? So that's essentially how it works. This is affiliate marketing. It's a $12 billion industry, right? A lot of people don't know about it, but all this is Flexoffers will work directly with all of these big brand names. They will build relationships with them. They'll create an affiliate program for them, and then they just allow normal, everyday people like you and me, if you have a strategy to market these links, and I'll talk about that in a second and show you how to do that, right? Then you can generate commissions paid directly by some of these very, very large companies, okay? Now, there are a lot of different types of affiliate networks out there. Flexoffers focuses mainly on these big brands. So these huge, retailers that everybody knows, their household names, and you can get access to them through their affiliate links, right? Very, very cool, okay? So all you would do really is you would click on Get Started right here. In order for you to sign up, you would sign up as an affiliate, as a publisher, not as an advertiser, okay? As an affiliate. And once you click on Sign Up here, you can basically sign up with their affiliate link, with their program. The cool thing is that you can pretty much sign up from anywhere in the world, all right, which is very, very cool. And then once you sign up with Flexoffers, you will get access to their membership area where you can find all the different people that you want to partner up with. You can click on the links. They will give you the details of their affiliate program, right? And how much they pay out, and then you can decide who you want to promote. It's really as simple as that, okay? Now, here's the thing that I want to mention. If you work with big brands, you have to understand that because it's a big brand, they don't generally pay out very high commissions, okay? So it's very normal to, for example, do a HP promotion or a Dell promotion, and they'll only pay you 5% commissions on every sale that you make, right? So it's not a lot of money, all right? So when you work with big brand affiliate programs, you have to understand that it's about volume, and that's the only way that you can make big money, and you have to have a way to drive a lot of eyeballs to your websites, to your links, so that you can make up for the lack of commissions. I hope that makes sense, all right? And that's really one of the big problems with working with affiliate networks like Flexoffers, where they focus on big brands only, is that the commission rates are generally very, very low. So for you as an affiliate, as a marketer, it's going to be quite difficult for you to get to your big income goals. Maybe your goal is $5,000 a month or $10,000 a month in profit. It's quite hard to do that when you're only being paid 3% commissions, 5%, 4%, 6%. It's super low, okay? But it does give you access to some really, really big people, all right? Now, how do you promote these links, all right? Well, generally, Flexoffers and affiliate networks like Flexoffers are designed for marketers who already have some sort of following. So either you've got a very big following on social media, maybe TikTok, maybe Instagram, maybe YouTube Shorts, maybe Facebook Reels, right? Maybe you're already an influencer, okay? Or you have a very big email list that are following you in a very specific area, like electronics. Maybe you review a lot of electronic products, right? Maybe you have a blog, and a lot of people that promote flex offers, they generally have some sort of blog online. All right, so maybe they write articles on how to DIY stuff, how to fix up your house, how to fix up your home, your garden, for example. Maybe they do product reviews, electronic reviews, things like that, movie reviews, right? That's why you can use things like Hulu, for example. And then you would basically link your affiliate link within your articles. Okay, the problem is that if you're watching this video, maybe you're just a beginner, so you have no following, you have no blog, you have no idea how to link anybody or any following to your affiliate links. And that's generally a big problem with a lot of these affiliate networks, is they provide you with the opportunity to promote products, but they don't teach you how to market. Okay, that is something that you're gonna have to figure out on your own. I'll show you a strategy if you would like to at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around until the end, okay? Now, another thing that you need to understand about Flex Offers is that they have a 30-day cookie window, which is quite short, by the way. That means that if somebody clicks on your affiliate link as a publisher, all right, your link is only good for 30 days. That means you're going to stick a cookie on the person who clicked your link on their browser, and if they come back later on within 30 days and they buy a product, then you will get a commission. Outside of the 30 days, that cookie will expire, and somebody else, another affiliate that promotes a flex offer link, will be able to get that attributed to them, that sale attributed to them. Okay, so 30 days it's pretty standard, but it's quite short. There are affiliate networks out there that have much longer cookie days, some 120 days, okay, which is 4 months. So that allows you to make money a little bit more easily. Another thing, and I think this is a disadvantage, unfortunately, with flex offers, is their payout day is 60 days. That means you have to wait 2 months after you made a sale before they will actually pay you out. That's quite a long time. Okay, that means that as a marketer, as an entrepreneur, you're going to have to wait 2 months after your sale is made before they will pay you out. And they pay you out a few ways, which is pretty good. They pay out through bank transfer, through PayPal, which is pretty normal, and through check. I don't suggest that I don't recommend accepting checks, because you have to wait for the check to be sent to you. So you have to wait, first of all, 60 days, about 2 months, before they will send the check to you. Then they send the check to you. It'll take roughly between 1 to 3 weeks, depending on where you live in the world. And then after that, it'll take your check roughly about 2 to 3 weeks to clear. That's very normal, okay? So all in all, if you accept check, it might take you 3.5 months before you actually get paid after you make the sale, which is crazy long. That turnaround time is it's too long for you to run a successful business with. So I suggest PayPal or bank transfer, but you're going to probably have to pay a big fee for the bank transfer, so PayPal is probably your best option. Okay, so that is Flex Offers in a nutshell. It is a very good big brand affiliate network. You can get access to over 12,000 different advertisers. Okay, so 12,000 different brands work with Flex Offers, so you have a lot of choice, all right, which is nice. But also understand that some of the disadvantages that we covered earlier are that big brands always pay very low commissions, 3%, 5%, 7%, 8%. I mean, it's extremely low. Okay, you should be making 40 to 60 to 70% commissions. Some programs even make 100% commission, so it's important for you to consider that if you're thinking of working with Flex Offers, okay, or becoming an affiliate marketer. Second thing is the cookie day is only 30 days, which is quite short, and it takes them 60 days before they actually pay out, which is quite long. Okay, but if you're okay with that, then and you want to work with some big brands, and Flex Offers, obviously very reputable, and they've been around in the marketplace a very long time. So you can check them out at flexoffers.com if you would like. All right. Now, if you are watching this video and you're like, Aaron, I want to make money with Flex Offers, with other affiliate products, with other affiliate networks, but you have no idea how to do it. You're not an influencer, you don't have a following, you don't have a blog that is generating like 100,000 views a month, okay, or millions of views a month. Maybe you're just getting started, so you don't know how to promote links, you don't know how to get people to see your stuff, all right? And that might be you right now, okay? Now, affiliate marketing is great, but you have to learn how to do it properly. So if you would like a free training on exactly how to go from zero to your first $5,000 to $10,000 a month, I've got a free training that you can check out if you want that will teach you how to leverage affiliate marketing in the right way, get profitable. Just click the link below and I'll send you that training for free straight to your email. You can check that out if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Flex Offers. All the best to you. See you in another video review. Take care.